Welcome to English Learning Point. Today we will learn another 5 important words for competitive exam. Let's start. Number 1. Conceal from. Conceal from.
গোপন করা গোপন করা
Nobody can conceal the truth from a doctor. We cannot conceal anything from our parents. Number 2. Sagacity. Sagacity.
বিচক্ষণতা বিচক্ষণতা
Newton showed his sagacity from his childhood. Everybody was surprised for his sagacity. Number 3. Queer. 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 What a queer work you have done. Your talking is really queer. Number 4. Confess. Confess.
দোষ স্বীকার করা দোষ স্বীকার করা
A bad man never want to confess for his guilt. If we confess our guilty, it will be helpful for us. Number 5. Apprehensive of. Apprehensive of.
ভীত ভীত ভীত
We should not be apprehensive of anything to tell the truth. Children are apprehensive of ghost. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.